Back over to Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection. Carol has been living in her house for 10 years. The basement's unfinished, but she had it tested when she first bought the house for radon. Now she's wondering, should it be retested? She said she's read something about it needing to be retested every couple of years. Thoughts on that, Brad?
Yeah, so the EPA does recommend that homes are tested every 2 to 3 years. I think that what we find is that there's some seasonal variations in radon that we all kind of know about, but if you make changes that tightens up your house, let's say you add new doors and windows.
Yeah.
You finish that basement. You seal up cracks. Any of those things may tighten up the home in a way that won't allow the radon to escape. Other thing, if you put in a new HVAC unit of new fan, new heater, I probably would also test at that point in time just to make sure that you're still within, under that 4 picocuries per liter reading that you want. So it's not a bad idea. I will also just remind everybody, if you do have a radon mitigation system in your home, make sure you're looking at that gauge. I was in doing a pest control job here a few weeks ago, and I happened to be standing next to the radon fan outside, and it wasn't making a sound. The switch appeared to be on. I went inside and found that the gauge was showing that it was it was level, which meant that the fan indeed was off. So check those. Those fans are good anywhere from 5 to 10 years. They do need to be replaced at times. They do need to be checked, and I think that's another cause for elevated levels of radon is the mitigation equipment just stops working. So check that too.
Interesting. Okay. A quick reminder, if you're thinking, hey, I need to figure out what the home value of your home is, we've got an easy way to do this. If you go to WeSellLouisville.com, again, jot that down, WeSellLouisville.com. And then at the top of the page, whether you're on a browser or on your phone, there's a link that will take you to, it's simple information. It's your address, it's your email address, phone number, and name. And when you hit submit, almost instantly, the system that we use, the computer, will spit you out, and you'll get an email on this and take you to a page that will give you the value based on what the comparables are set up by computer. Now, it's not perfect. It's a computer pulling, but it's a start. And we can talk if you want me to come out and I can do a little more in-depth review of what your pricing is. But this is a easy, no cost, no obligation. WeSellLouisville.com. Look at the top of the screen. You'll see the link to home values. We are out of time. My thanks to the folks who spent this past half hour with us. We've got Lee Harris, legal counsel over at Limestone Title and Escrow. They do a great job getting your loan closed. All you need to do is pick up a phone and give Lee a call, and she'll set it up from there. If you're going to be buying a home or selling a home, you can reach Lee at 649-7964. And then Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service and Team Bug Out. And they do a great job both coming in as inspection services and also for exterminators. And you can reach Brad anytime with his team, 844-411-TEAM. And by the way, are we saying, is it 8th or 9th year in a row?
Our 9 years.
9 years, okay. I thought it was 8. Yeah.
9 years and we'll call it 4 months so far. So
good. Okay. And the number one home team inspection service in the country. So that's a great honor. 844-411-TEAM. And if you're thinking of selling your home now or in the near future, I would love to help you free, no cost obligation, no obligation. All you do is give me a call, 376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. Coming up on next week's show, make a note. Why you should blur your house on Google Maps ASAP, and we'll also explain the process to actually doing it. It's a security issue, folks. We'll talk much more about this coming up next Sunday. Why you should blur your house on Google Maps as soon as humanly possible. We're out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.